to sell pet supplies on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sell your own products using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, Etsy.com is a platform where you can sell your own products or where you can buy the other sellers' products. So as you can see in here, we have a lot of products to buy from in this platform, and there are a lot of sellers behind these products making a lot of money. So for example, let's check one of these products just to show you an example of what you're going to learn in today's video. So let's check this one, for example. So here guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create exactly a shop page like this one, how to add the pictures of this shop of your product, how to add as many pictures as you have, and how to set the price of your product, how to set the description and the options if you have any, how to set the product's details, like if it's handmade or the band color, style, or when it's made, how to set the description. And the last thing I'm going to show you is how to set the shipping and return policies. So let's just close this tab. Let's go to the main one, go to the shop manager button in your top right. Then you will proceed to setting up your Etsy shop. And in order to do that, you will need to go through 6 steps as you can see in here. The first step is the shop preferences. Then comes naming your shop, then stocking your shop, then you choose how you get paid, then you set up the billing or the payment processors, then you end with the shop security. So let's start from the first step, which is the shop preferences. And here you choose the shop's language, the shop's country, and the shop's currency. So let's just change the shop's currency from the Moroccan dirham to the United States dollar. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is choosing a name for the shop. So let's give it this name, for example, remove the spaces between words. And here it looks like the name is already taken, so you can choose one of these options, or you can just add a number to the name and it will be unique. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is stocking your shop. So in this step, you will add some photos and details about your item. Fill out what you can for now. You will be able to edit this later. So before we proceed to adding the photos and details about the item, first click on save and continue to see all of the required fields that we need to fill in order to proceed to the next step. And here we have 4 required fields. The first one is photos. As you can see, you will need at least 1 photo. Then comes the inventory, where you will need to enter the price of the product. Then you have the listing details, and here you will need to fill all of these read fields. Then we have the shipping, and here as well you will need to fill all of these read fields, just like the listing details. So let's start from the first step, which is photos. So here add as many as you can so buyers can see every detail. Use up to 10 photos to show your item's most important qualities. And for some tips, use natural light and no flash. Include a common object for scale. Show the item being held, worn, or used. Shoot against a clean, simple background. Add photos to your variations so buyers can see all their options. Then we have the video. Bring your product to life with a 5 to 15 second video. It could help you drive more sales. The video won't feature sound, so let your product do the talking. And for some quick tips, film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used. Adjust your settings to record high resolution video. Aim for 1080 pixels or higher. Crop your video after you upload it to get the right dimensions. And if you want to learn how to make videos that sell, you can just click on this link. Then we have the listing details. So here you tell the world all about your item and why do they love it. So we start with the title. So here let's enter a good title for the product. Then you answer these 3 questions. Who made it? You have 3 options to choose from. I did, a member of my shop, another company or person. Let's go with I did. What is it? A finished product or a supply or tool to make things. Let's go with the finished product. When did you make it? You have 3 categories to choose from: not yet made, recently, or vintage. Let's go with recently. And here for the category, just enter the product's name or the product's name, and here you will have some categories to choose from. So for me, I'm going to choose the first category. Then you will have some additional details to fill, like the primary color of the product. Here we have a lot of colors. I'm going to choose the gray color, for example. Then we have the secondary color, and here let's choose orange, for example. And for reflective, if it's yes or no, you can choose one of them. Then for the pattern, you can choose one in here as well. The pet type, you can select up to 5. Let's go with the first 5: bird, dragon, bird, cat, chicken, chinchilla, and that's 5. Then we have the set includes. We can choose just one, I guess, or we can choose up to 3. So here let's choose them 3. Then we have the occasion. So here you can choose an occasion in here. Then we have the holiday. You can choose one in here as well. Then you have the renewal options. If you want to go with the automatic renewal, which costs 20 cents each time, or you want to go with the manual, which is free, and I prefer the manual. Then we have the type. For me, it's a physical product. If you are selling digital product, you can check this one. Then for the description, in order guys to enter a good description for your product, make sure to start with a brief overview that describes your item's finest features. Shoppers will only see the first few lines of your description at first, so make it count. Not sure what else to say? Shoppers also like hearing about your process and the story behind this item. Then for the production partners, if you have any, you can add them in here. If not, just close this one. Then we have the section tags and materials. They are all optional, so let's just skip them for later. Then we have the price. So here, let's enter this price, for example. Then we move on to the shipping. And as I said in the beginning, just make sure to fill all of these red fields with the right information. For the processing time, let's say 5 to 7 days, for example. Then we have the returns and exchanges. You can apply the 30 days policy, or you can choose another one in here. And that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.